How to get logged in into HSBC Online Banking. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you want to get logged in into the mobile banking for HSBC, you can just download it from the Play Store and get logged in using the credentials. Likewise, if you want to log in via the website or online banking, just tap open any of your browser and search HSBC Online Bank. Tap on the first link, which is by hsbc.co.uk. You can accept all the cookies or manage the cookies as well. Now you have a login button on the top right corner, tap on it. After that, you will land to the home page whereby you can give in your credentials. First of all, you have to provide your username. Once that is done, you have to click on continue. Then provide your password and you should be able to see the login button. However, if you do not remember your username, you have an option to reset it as well. For this, tap on forgotten your password or username option. Now you can reset it before that identification method. The first option is to sort code and account number, credit card number, invest direct number, and investment account number. This way, you should be able to get logged in. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.